This video is going to be of the main spindle with the collet clamped, sometimes with no material in it. And the collet open, you will hear a vibration from the toggles. So this is with the collet clamped. 1,000 RPM, 2,000 RPM, 3,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM, 5,000 RPM, 6,000 RPM, 7,000 RPM, and spindle stop. This video will be of the sub spindle at 1,000 RPM, 2,000 RPM, 3,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM, 5,000 RPM, 6,000 RPM, 7,000 RPM, and stop. This is the Z1 axis ball screw. It may be a little louder because the motor's right here and we have no cover here. The clicking you're hearing is coming from the telescoping tube to the bar feeder. That's pretty normal. It gets to the end of the stroke and then it'll sometimes click if it goes all the way. This video is going to be of the Z2 ball screw forward and backward movement. This video will be of Y1 axis movement. This is going to be a video of the X2 axes. This cover here may make a little bit of clicking as well as back here, behind the spindle. This video is of the X1 axis ball screw. This video is for power driven tools on the main side. 2,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM, 6,000 RPM. This is a video of the back 8 or back 4 station power driven tools. You see the gear in there? This is low RPM. I believe this is 2,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM, 6,000 RPM.